Oh, good try. Hey, good job. Yeah.
Coming into your glove, Julian. Use your other hand to slap on top of it, like that.
Good throw, baby.
Good throw. Good job. Chloe.
That's okay. You did really good. On the way home, you can.
Come on. All right. You guys got to unbunch a little bit.
Not big. Not big.
Good job.
Pay attention. It's coming to you.
A little bit that way. Good, good, good. Julian, can you go just a little bit that way? I don't want to hit. There you go. Good. Right there. Chloe.
Ah, get it. All right, come on, get it.
In the bucket. Okay. Good. Oh,
All right, Juju, let's see you do it again.
good job. Look at that.
Good throw.
Julian, there you go. Remember, both hands like this.
This is like playing keyboard on the shit.
Look at that.
Hey, good job.
Good job. Good job.
Good throw, honey. Good throw. Good job.
My arm jumped too here.
I know.
That was very funny.
That was funny. But you got to keep your eye on the ball. That's why. You did a good job.
Chloe, in the bucket. You got to keep your eye on the ball and move it wrong to the ball. Oh, shh.
Oh,
Are you okay?
good try.
All right, you ready? Here you go. Okay,
Oh,
all right.
it's okay. Good job. Keep going for it.
Throw it in the bucket.
Oh, nice try. You almost got it.